Question: who sees further, the giant or the bird on his shoulder? The perch of perspective. In a city built on bone and steel, there was a company called Titan Industries. It was led by a man who lived in the clouds, Robert Titan. Robert didn't just build a firm, he built an empire. From the top floor, his vision was grand. He saw the future in broad strokes. He saw market shifts before they happened. He saw the horizon. But success has a cost. As Titan Industries grew into a sprawling monolith, Robert realized he had developed the most dangerous condition a leader can face: invisibility of the small. Departments were miscommunicating, employees were disengaging, trivial decisions were causing ripple effects that threatened the very foundation he had laid. One morning, Robert walked through the atrium. He overheard a conversation, a minor product flaw spiraling into a disaster. The team had tried to scream, but the sound was lost in the sea of his grand priorities. Robert stopped. He didn't just listen, he realized. He stood before his entire organization. He didn't offer a corporate speech, he offered a confession. "I am focused on the big picture," he told them, "but I am too far from the ground. I stand at the top, but that does not mean I have the clearest view." Robert wasn't just a giant anymore. He invited the birds to land on his shoulder. He opened the channels, he killed the bureaucracy, he empowered the managers at the ground level to speak truth to power. He stopped looking at reports and started looking at insights. The results were immediate. The giant still saw the horizon, but the bird on his shoulder told him where the thorns were. The lesson was clear. Vision gets you to the top, but perspective keeps you there. Lesson: a CEO must rely on others for details they are too big to see. Leadership requires understanding that collaboration and feedback are crucial for success, as no one can see everything from the top alone.